Are you ready to transform your hair care routine? Hair loss, thinning strands, and an itchy scalp are common struggles many of us face. Stress, poor diet, and environmental factors only make things worse. But what if a simple homemade herbal spray could help reverse these issues naturally? Baldness, shedding, and breakage came for your crown, but we are snatching it back with receipts. This herbal hairspray is going to be a banger. Last year, 2024, my hair was a mess, but I picked up the courage and snatched it back using my homemade natural ingredients. Look how healthy my edges are. Look how healthy my hair is. My hair grew longer, thicker, and healthier from using herbal ingredients to regrow back my hair. It was like a magic. I couldn't even believe my eyes. I was like, if I can be sharing natural ingredients on my channel, then I must put them to good use to regrow back my edges. Now, today, my edges are full, thick, not only thick, they are very healthy. So if you're looking to regrow back your edges, you're looking to grow your hair longer, you're looking to grow your hair thick, do not joke on these natural ingredients. These ingredients are so powerful and they work wonders to hair growth. I am glad that so many of you are beginning to know the efficacy of these herbal ingredients. Without wasting much of your time, grab a jar like so. Make sure it is clean. And our first ingredient is cinnamon. These are cinnamon sticks. I had to pack it because this is an amazing product. This is an amazing natural ingredient that most of you don't know. Cinnamon enhances blood flow, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles for faster hair growth. And for the proportion, I'm just going to be using a stick like so. If you're making a bigger batch, be sure to use more of the cinnamon sticks. Now, my next ingredient is fenugreek. I'm just going to be using a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is rich in proteins and nicotinic acids. It strengthens hair from roots to the tips and encourages regrowth. So if you're looking to regrow your hair, you should add fenugreek to your routine. And the best of them all, my hibiscus. Guys, you know how much I love hibiscus. I will allow you to go research on the rest of the ingredients. Hibiscus is what keeps my hair dark. Just in case you're wondering, I just use that in 3 flowers, just 3 flowers of dry hibiscus. That's what I'm using on this recipe. Now for the last ingredients, second to the last ingredient, I've got chia seeds. I also want to give you a homework to go and research on chia seeds benefits for your hair. These tiny seeds, forget it, they are magic. Now I'll be adding that in 1/4 tablespoon. Then I will pour 500 ml worth of hot water to the jar containing all the ingredients, and I'm going to cover it up tightly and leave it on my table like so for the next 8 to 12 hours. So after 12 hours, here is what I have. I will go ahead and strain this. Now after straining, the cinnamon stick is still very useful and still potent, so you can sun dry it and reuse it. Even the fenugreek seeds, all the ingredients used, you can use it for 2 to 3 times. No need to waste. You can sun dry them and use it on your next the next time you're making your herbal tea. So this is what I have. Look how amazing the color is. It's not just about the color, but the potency, the effectiveness of this herbal spray. These 2 things are just what you need to look out for. So as you all already know, I love to use my herbal teas as a living. I don't want to waste them. I don't like wasting them. After I spray it on my hair from scalp to my tips, I allow it and apply my leave-in conditioner and I seal with my pomade. I don't rinse it off. I don't wash it off. So if you want to get the benefits of all these herbal ingredients we are using on the channel, please and please use it as a leave-in. That does not mean that on your wash day you will not use some as a rinse out. These are the things that strengthen your hair. These are the things that keep my hair strengthened, that I barely lose my hair. I barely shed. My hair barely shed. That's why I'm able to retain my volume for the longest of time. Like I told you guys on my last video, that someone came to me telling me that she is able to retain length when she's on logs than when she's wearing her hair loose. That's because when she's on logs, she's able to retain length. And when she wears her hair loose, she's not able to retain length because she might be manipulating her hair too much. She might be rough detangling her hair, or she might just be using products that her hair does not like, so thereby making her not to retain length. So I keep on fighting to strengthen my hair, make sure that my hair is strengthened. That way I'm able to retain length and volume. For those of you experiencing thin hair, please and please try to retain volume. How can you retain your volume? By not too much detangling your hair, not washing your hair every week, not rough handling your hair. You can't be rough handling your hair and expect your hair to be thick. No. You can't be blow drying your hair every time you shampoo your hair simply because you don't want water gushing on your shirt or anything and expect your hair to be thick. With all these, you just need a very good method to follow your hair and everything will fall in place. I think that's all I have to say for today's video. Now for the storage, please make sure that you store your herbal teas in the refrigerator for only 5 days. I keep explaining why I tell you people to store it for only 5 days, because after 5 days it loses its potency. It doesn't mean that it will spoil because it's in the refrigerator. So while I stop talking, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and we'll see on my next video. Bye.